The eastern woodlands peoples live in southeastern Canada. They live around the Great Lakes. They also live close to Toronto, Ottawa, Quebec, and other famous Canadian cities. We have learned a little bit of information about the Eastern Woodlands Indigenous peoples. So now you can tell me, what did you learn about Eastern Woodlands Indigenous peoples? So let's create a mind map. On the left, here is our first example. A wigwam is smaller than a longhouse. So our first noun is wigwam. Our adjective is small.
Think before you speak. Choosing your words carefully can help deliver your message more accurately. Speak with confidence. How you say something is just as important as what you are saying. Speaking confidently helps you build the trust and respect of your audience. In this slide, you'll be doing an exercise. Not just any exercise, it's a dialogue exercise.
Alright, so this activity asks us to choose or find our subject. Thieves stole the money. The sentence is about thieves who stole the money, hence our subject. Brilliant. Alright, let's try this activity together. Complete the sentence to match the picture. So, what are the two friends doing in the picture? They're watching TV. So, they watch a show. Correct. Try more questions on your own.
All media products are advertising. The mainstream media conveys messages about such issues as the nature of a good life and the virtue of consumerism, the role of women, the acceptance of authority, and unquestioning patriotism. Well, I can only tell you what I see. What you see might be different. But I see that this message is created, most likely, for a child audience. Make a mental note about the things that have stayed the same in advertising. They splash, but don't pop. Easy fill, no tying. Check out the pictures on the ad. Here we see a print advertisement for earbuds, a very popular product right now. It's different from any earbud advertisement I've ever seen before, primarily because it depicts an image of a very well-known celebrity. Do you know who it is? When looking at advertisements, whether they're billboards, pop-ups on Facebook, in a magazine, we must ask ourselves who is served by or benefits from this message. The most important thing is that people should not be feeling that they're being manipulated through these subliminal ads. Children get their ideas about how boys and girls should act, or what it means to identify with one gender or another, or on a near constant basis. Kids